Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld with the K Grant Group with my home group out of Scottsdale, Arizona. One of the things we've been hearing more and more from our clients is they're curious about seeing different properties that have a casita or a guest house. The two main reasons they're looking for these is either one, they need a next generation home. They want to have a place that their parents can live on property with them where they still have their own space. The second thing is people are looking at how can I turn my primary residence into an investment property. I think we can thank HGTV for this one. So today we're out at one of the properties in Scottsdale that offers a casita that's just over 400 square feet. These guys are personally using this property as an income property. So let's take a look and see what they've done. So when you enter the property, what you're going to see is they actually have put in a Murphy bed that can either be put up or it can lay down to be a true bed. In this room, in a true studio type manner, you'll see they do have a couch area for lounging, as well as they've actually done a complete kitchen here with full-size appliances, as well as having a full-size bathroom, walk-in shower, dual vanity, and they actually even have their own washer and dryer. So this is just one way owners are turning their primary residence into an income opportunity to help offset the cost of their mortgage and just their general bills. So if you follow along with us today, we're going to stop by another property to show you another example and hopefully give you some ideas that you can do with your home. As promised, here we are at house number 2. What you're going to see with this ensuite or casita is they're using it as a next generation home. It truly is for an extension of their family to have their own space right here on the property. So let me show you what can be done because the other one's just 704 square feet. Come with me. When you walk into this property, what you'll see is you walk into an actual living room space. In just 700 square feet, they're able to get 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, a kitchen, and their own little private patio area. So coming through this way, you'll see here on the side, we have a full-size bathroom, as well as another full kitchen with, again, full-size appliances, and even a cute little walkout where they can have their own space here, right on property. When you go this way, you're gonna see one of 2 bedrooms. You can see it's a nice size bedroom they're able to get it into here. Right now they have a twin size bed, but you could definitely fit a king size bed in here without any issues. Now, in almost a split floor plan type manner, when we go this way, you'll see the second bedroom. So here you'll see another great sized bedroom. They have a queen size bed here, but again, it could fit a true king size. So hopefully the last 2 tours have given you a good idea of what you can do with your property. Whether it be you want to turn it into an income producing property, or you're figuring out how can you have either your parents or kids live on property with you. If you have any questions at all about income properties, next generation homes, or just Arizona real estate as a whole, please contact me at 480-387-3990.